Meaning of freewheel.
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 Freewheel. The term freewheel generally refers to a mechanism that allows a wheel or other rotating device to spin freely in one direction while preventing it from turning backwards. This is typically achieved using a clutch or other locking mechanism that engages when the wheel rotates in the opposite direction. In certain contexts, freewheel can also refer to the act of coasting or moving forward without applying any force, either on a bicycle or in a larger vehicle. Overall, the concept of freewheeling emphasizes the idea of unimpeded movement and a lack of resistance or friction.